heredity and variation. Since the development of human civilization occurred, they tried to understand every aspect of nature and communicate with other organisms and understand their characteristics. Common characteristics from present can be taken as height, hair color, eye color, skin color, and blood group. Now let's find out how do we get these traits. All living organisms can reproduce. Reproduction results in the production of offspring. Offspring share similar traits to that of its parents. Have you ever wondered why do children resemble their parents, grandparents, and siblings? Since traits are passed from one generation to the next, members of a family share similar traits. This transmission of traits from parents to their offspring is called heredity. Now the question arises is what determines our traits and how do we inherit them from our parents? Our body is made up of cells. Each cell contains nucleus for its regulation. Not only the nucleus controls the cell but also contain chromatin material which forms chromosomes. Genes are located on the chromosomes. Genes are made up of DNA, the hereditary material. Information carried by DNA determines our traits. For example, eye color, height, blood group, and all physical and behavioral traits. Now let us understand how this process of inheritance of traits takes place. Every human cell has 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes are basically two sets of 23 chromosomes. One pair of 23 chromosomes is transferred from father and one pair of 23 chromosomes from the mother. Chromosomes carry traits which are transferred to their children. Hence, this inheritance of traits is the cause of resemblance between parents and offspring. Now let us study about variation. A child bears all features of a human being, but a child does not look exactly like either parent. This is also true in case of siblings. Have you ever wondered why are most offspring born to same biological parents not identical to each other? Process of inheritance follows complex rules. At the time of gamete formation, chromosomes exchange segments. This process is called crossing over. It causes shuffling of genes between similar chromosomes. Now, shuffled genes are randomly passed to the gametes. Every gamete carries a unique combination of genes. This unique combination of genes is transferred to the offspring and brings variation. Genetics is the branch of science that studies heredity and variation.